In this video, you'll learn how to connect Paperform to Zoho CRM using the Zapier platform. By the end of this guide, you will be able to automate your data transfer between these two applications seamlessly. Begin by navigating to the Zapier homepage, open your web browser, and enter the Zapier URL. Once the page loads, you may be prompted to sign in if you are not already logged in. Enter your credentials to access your Zapier dashboard. Next, in the search bar at the top of the page, type in Zoho CRM to Paperform. This action will display various options related to this integration. Look for the option that mentions connecting Zoho CRM to Paperform and select it to proceed. After that, click on the button labeled Start Building to initiate the process of creating a new Zap. This will take you to a new screen where you can set up your trigger and action events. You will see a loading indicator as Zapier prepares the setup. Once this appears, you can select Paperform from the list of applications presented. This action will allow you to specify what event in Paperform will trigger the integration. Following this, click on the option labeled Trigger Event. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select New Form Submission. This option indicates that the integration will activate whenever a new form is submitted in Paperform. Continuing, click on New Form Submission once more to ensure the correct trigger is set. This confirmation screen will display the details of the selected trigger. Review these details to ensure they align with your intended automation. Next, you will need to select Zoho CRM as your action application. Click on the corresponding option when it appears. This step links the form submissions to your Zoho CRM account. Then click on the option labeled Action Event. A new set of options will be displayed. Choose Create Module Entry from this list. This selection will allow you to create new entries in Zoho CRM based on the data received from Paperform. After selecting Create Module Entry, click on it again to confirm your choice. This will lead you to a setup screen where you can configure how the data from Paperform will be organized in Zoho CRM. Next, click on the Account section. This area will prompt you to connect your Zoho CRM account to Zapier. Click on the button labeled Connect Zoho CRM to initiate the account linking process. You may be required to authenticate your Zoho CRM account. Follow the prompts to grant Zapier access to your Zoho CRM data. Once connected, you will return to the Zap setup screen where you can finalize your integration settings. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.